In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a drawer menu type in your Shopify store. We'll be going step by step to ensure that by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional and beautifully structured drawer menu that will enhance your store's navigation. To start, we need to get to our Shopify dashboard. So go ahead and open your Shopify account and head to your dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand column menu. Here, you're going to locate and click on Content. It's a simple step, but a vital one to access the next necessary features. After selecting Content, you'll see various options. What you want to do now is locate and click on Menus. Upon clicking Menus, you'll be presented with 3 different menu options. The one to select here is Main Menu, as this is the primary section we'll be working with to set up your drawer menu. Once you have clicked on the main menu, scroll to the bottom where you'll find an option that says Add Menu Item. Click this option to create the primary item that users will see on your landing page. As you do this, you'll need to type in the name of your main menu item. Think about what best represents your store's structure or main product categories, because this is what your visitors will first notice. Now, for the link, click the empty field provided right next to the name. When you do this, several options will appear. Select Homepage to ensure that this new menu item will appear on your landing page once we're finished. After selecting the homepage, click Save. This action secures the steps you've followed so far, but we're not done yet. Now, click on Add Menu Item again to start the process of creating sub-menu items. When entering the name of each sub-menu item, consider what categories or collections would naturally fall under your main item. Once again, click on the empty field under Link and select Homepage. And yes, it's time to hit Save once more to solidify your changes. Next, add another menu item for your dropdown and repeat the previous steps, clicking the empty field, selecting Homepage and saving your work. Repeat this step for any additional sub-menu items you want under this category. Once your main and sub-items are created, it's time to organize them into a drawer format. Click and drag each sub-item slightly to the right underneath its corresponding main menu item. Be sure to arrange all of your sub-items similarly for a consistent look. Don't forget to click Save after you've organized your items. As a final step, head over to View Your Store to check if the newly added drawer menu or drop-down appears as it should. This visual confirmation ensures that everything is set up correctly and looks great. And there you have it, a neatly structured drawer menu in your Shopify store, ready to improve your customers' browsing experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.